This video is going to help you learn 4 salsa basic steps. Welcome and let's get started. We are going to begin with our left foot to the side. So step to the left, then back on the right, and again the left near the right. Once again, left, right, left. Once more, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now with the right foot to the right side, right, back on the left, right near the left. Again, right, left, right. Again, right, left, right. So now let's do it together, and we're gonna add a pause between the left step and the right step. Slowly, left, right, left, pause, right, left, right, pause. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do the front step. So again with the left, I'll start with the right, you with the left. And we go left, back on the right, left near the right. Again, left, right, left. Same thing with the other foot. So now the right foot in front, right, left, right. Once again, right, left, right. And together, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Don't forget about the pause. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do the back step. Same thing, start with your left foot. Now back, then on the right and left near the right. Again, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Now with your right foot in the back, right, left, right, and right, left, right. Together, left foot first, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's do the basic step. The basic step in salsa is with your left foot in front and your right in the back. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this angle now, same thing, left in front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.